One of the lesser known but super convenient feature of the 4th generation Kia Sportage is playing video files right on the center touchscreen. In this video, I will walk you through everything you need to know from preparing your video files to setting them up for playback in your Kia Sportage. First, make sure your USB flash drive is formatted to FAT32, as it's the only format that is supported by this infotainment system. Insert the USB flash drive into your computer's USB port. Under My PC, right-click on the USB drive and select Format from the drop-down menu. In the File System drop-down, select FAT32 and click on Start. After formatting, the next step is to transfer your video files to the USB. Make sure your video files are in compatible formats. AVI and MP4 are the only two video formats supported by the infotainment system. Also, the video resolution must be 720p or lower, otherwise the system will display File Not Supported error. Transfer the files onto the USB and safely eject it from your computer once the transfer is complete. Now turn on the ignition or start the engine to power up the infotainment system of your Sportage. Insert the USB flash drive into the USB port located in the center console. Once connected, the system will automatically detect the drive and display its contents. If it does not automatically play the video from the USB drive, press the media button on your dashboard or the infotainment screen and you will see a list of available sources. Select USB video from the list. And that's how you can play video files in your Kia Sportage. Keep in mind that the video playback is only available when the car is parked. The video will keep playing even if you move the gear shifter to the drive position. However, as soon as you press the gas pedal and the car starts moving, the video playback is disabled. When you stop the car, the video starts playing again. This is primarily a safety measure to prevent distractions for the driver, as watching videos while driving can significantly increase the risk of an accident. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Wheels Joint for more automotive tips. Thanks for watching.